Indian Railways operates over 19,000 special trips. SIMONTINI Bhattacharjee overcrowding and struggles too. New Delhi. The Indian Railways has successfully operated 19,837 special trips during the summer season, transporting nearly 40 million passengers across the country, as confirmed by Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw on Saturday. He attributed this achievement to the government's emphasis on expanding the railway network. In response to criticism, the minister highlighted that over the past 5 years, the railway lines have been extended by nearly 35,000 kilometers, with 5,300 kilometers added in 2023 alone. Vaishnaw emphasized that the expansion of lines has benefited not only passenger travel but also coal and freight transportation. Despite social media videos showing the difficulties faced by passengers, such as board trains, the rail minister refuted claims of a reduction in general coaches. He pointed out that the government has introduced the Amrit Bharat trains, which are fully non-AC and offer long-distance travel at affordable prices. Vaishnaw also noted that the ratio of non-AC to AC coaches has remained historically consistent at 2:1, and his administration has maintained this balance. The railways have carefully planned these additional trains to connect major destinations, with all zonal railways preferring to handle the increased demand during the summer months. Special services have been announced by Northern Railways and Central Railways, among others, to accommodate the surge in travel during the hot season. Eastern Railway Headquarters, TNH. Indian Railways operates over 19,000